Hi! How I turned this into this, I show you in this video.
Create the panels for the Focke Wulf. I show you now. First, we have to go to a CAD program. Here I'm using the Tinkercad from Autodesk. It's a free online-based CAD program. You can go to the website, register yourself, and then you can create funny things. Here you can see the panels for the Focke Wulf, side panels here, and main panels. I'm downloaded myself just this instrument housings here, and you can import files to this work desk and you can use it. You can scale it how big or how small you want. I create these little switches here, and also I downloaded these little knobs and this knob here. I scaled it in the size I needed, and I put it here on the panels. These panels, you have to first measuring your model, how big is your the place for the panels, and then you can create your own panels. This is just an example for the panels, so I created like this. And when you go to the main side of the program, you can see all your designs, or all my designs I designed. This seat I don't designed it, I downloaded it from Thingiverse and I scaled it in the size I needed. But maybe, for example, the stick, you can see here the stick. This is my design. It's very simple, but it looks very nice. And here the cockpit, how is the name of this? Where the seat is and the stick is, I don't know the name, but you know what I mean. This you can all create by yourself. On the next side, here is the little I don't know, wheel to open the window. This is a creation from me too, and here is the back plate from the cockpit where the is a little luggage carrying place, I think. Yes, and you can create a lot of funny things with this little program. It's very funny. You can go to the website of Autodesk Tinkercad and you have a couple of lessons where you can learn a little bit, but it's very simple and very nice, this program. Okay, then when you finished your design, then you can go to download it like an STL file. Here you can download it, and then with this STL file you go to your slicer from your 3D printer, and then you can print it out. And this is how I did the panels for the Focke Wulf. And now we see us in the workshop. And here you can see I have printed myself these cockpit panels for the Focke Wulf. I created this on Tinkercad, and here you can see I have little stickers here for the panel, and now I want to try something to imitate the glass for these little stickers here. I want to use this resin here. This is UV curing resin, and I want to try to make a little dot on these stickers, and then I cure it with my UV lamp. Then I hope it imitates the glass for these panels. I don't know. I don't try this before. Okay, I switch the camera position and then I'm back. And now you can see the panels. I can show you one like this. And here you can see there are little stickers here for this two things, and I don't know, it looks like a little bit boring without the glass. And then I want to try to put a little dot of this resin on the panel to imitate the glass. Here, this one is for the window opening, and I printed this with my SLA printer from resin, and I painted it a little bit, and here looks a little bit old. Now let's go. Let's try out. I think this is too thin for the resin. Now this one is a little bit bigger. I try this one. Okay. Take two. Okay, I think I have to try this without the needle. Yes, that's better. Much better. Okay, let's take the needle on like this. Like I said, I don't tried this before. Let's hope the best. Okay, let's try. Okay, that looks good. A little dot is enough for this. And looks like glass. It's very cool. Okay. I hope you can see something. It's a little bit difficult here for me. Now we have to cure it. Hey, I have my curing station. One moment, I'll show you. Here's my SLA printer, and for this I have this curing station with UV LEDs, and in this one we take now not so easy with one hand, this one for curing. Okay, back to the table. One piece is in the curing station, and let's do this. than other ones.